Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I paint a side table. Join me. Okay, so we're going to start painting this little side table nightstand. Got my milk paint ready and my brush, and it's already been cleaned. So we are ready to begin the process. Just gonna start painting. This is where I had to glue it down yesterday, and seems like it's holding really well. So there's no lift to it, so that wood glue really worked well. So this is the first coat. Typically they call this this is the ugly coat because it's not covering well, but it's just your ugly coat. So I got my screwdriver. We're gonna take this handle off. Yay. First screw, and second. Success. Pretty rusty. So, yeah. We'll give those a good cleaning and paint them gold. So, there's that. Okay, so we are going to just slide that back and paint. Wow. This one is looking really rough, right? I'm going to pull it out just a bit. There we go. See the coverage for this milk paint? It's really nice. Sides. Did you notice I didn't do any sanding? Okay. The sides there. I got this on my standing desk, so I could lift it up as well. This side is done, and I'm going to turn it around and all right. So I am not a very neat painter. You see, I am pretty messy. I'm glad it's not a requirement to be neat, because I would not be able to fulfill that. I am pretty messy. That's okay. Turn the light on. There we go. All right. Continuing on, getting on this first rough coat, or this ugly coat, as they say. You know, somebody might see this piece and say, you know, that's headed for the landfill. And by being a furniture painter, we are saving items from being tossed away. So, it's pretty cool. At least I think it is. I really, really do. I really enjoy it. Just going on. Keep going. Keep going. So it's tempting to go back to areas that are still wet. You might have saw I did that earlier. So I'm trying not to do that. I want this first coat to dry, and then I'll go back because I can see a few spaces that I didn't get full coverage, but I'm just going to wait until it's all dry. So here we go. All right, this side is good. So now get the back. This is the very back here. So now you can see that it's been a few hours later. It's dark outside, and I am about to put on this second coat of the milk paint. The first coat has had plenty of time to dry, so let's put on a second coat. And I already did the top, so now I'm just going to focus on this really small side, and I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. And I want to get in all of these little grooves here before I move down and below that little ledge as well. And then I'm going to move down to this middle space. And cover up all those reddish brown tones that are still coming through from that. Even though we do have one coat on, you can still see those coming through. So now go to this bottom. I'm going to smooth out everything. And now go to the very bottom. And after we get the second coat on tomorrow, If it looks good, then I will reattach the legs and we'll turn it over and work on the bottom. But if needed, I will put on a third coat. So, but it doesn't take long. To get a side done since they're small. Yeah, a little bit there. I want to make sure I get that on the ridges. Okay. Comes another side. Here are the finished tables. I think they've turned out really wonderfully. I covered the tables with a satin clear coat. I also put in a drawer liner and painted the handles and the feet gold. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. What do you all think? Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.